Hello everyone, you are welcome again to my YouTube channel, and where you are going to be equipped and also to be bridged more on your knowledge with analytics for to better your understanding for business model, and as well to be able to get a good decision making when it comes to data for functional purposes, and for also to be useful when it comes to business driving. So the things that we are having right now, data speaks everywhere, and analytics is a refinery to make the data we are working with to become useful, and also to become a bridge to develop human endeavor. Last class, my first videos, we are already with Power Query for analytics, specifically to know how to use Power Query for cleaning data. And I give you some things to work with, which I'm going to do here, just to help you and to guide you to know whether we are able to do it. And also you can share from what I'm doing here to checkmate what you have done so far. So we are on Power Query for analytics, specifically for cleaning. And we know Power Query is a library integrated in Microsoft Excel to make cleaning possible and to be more easier for us. So in my first video, Power Query for data analytics in Microsoft Excel part 1, we see I've done different data and how to clean with it, and different tools to use as pertaining different data set and how to work with them. So today I'm going to continue where I stopped. So I'm going to start working with the one I gave you to work with last class, and as well I'll further my cleaning on another powerful subject, and this another side of Power Query that is not necessary for cleaning again. We can use it to do many things and also to do different calculation. So now I will try to import this. These are data. This is a very clean data and a very dirty data to work with. For instance, now I know I have the dirty one here. I'll just delete one from model, then I will have this. So from this data, so we have this data here. We have this also here. So, but we are working with this to clean this data. In this data, we have name. It's very rough. We identify the key metrics we have in here. We have our name, we have our address, we have our age, and we have genders. So we need to understand how it works. So let me take you to the clean one to see how it looks. So when you see the clean one, it will help you to see how the data would look like. So let me import the clean one. Then we are going to see how it look. Then from there, we can know how to clean and to derive the key metrics we have from this data. So we are working with our jump of customer details. We import it. So we wait for it to load up. So we work with clean one, then we import to the one you have done in our previous class. And then we click on only create connection, then we add this to data model and have it like this generated. Now just place your cursor on any of these query here. You click on edit to launch this Power Query. You launch it straight to Power Query. So when you launch it to Power Query, this is the clean one. So we have our name, we have our address, we have our age, we have our gender, but this is the dirty one. So they are asking us to clean this data the way we have in it clear. So when you come here, if you want to do this kind of things, then we are going to be working with split. So you can see split mode there. Click on it by delimiter. Delimiter split different values to different columns. So from here, you just need to click on this selected or enter delimiter. You are going to click on custom. When you click on customs, then we are going to, from here, the first one we want to clean is name. When you click on name, click on leftmost delimited, then OK. So once you have there, you are going to see a column shifted to left side. Click on the remaining one we are still having here. Come to split column by delimiter. By delimiter again, click on this custom from here. Then the one we are going to split again is address. Address. So click on leftmost delimiter. Then we click on OK. You can see the name is out. So again, the next one is we can right click on it as well, split column by delimiter. You may decide to use that as well. So we come here under our custom as well. The next one that follow is our age. Is an age. Click on leftmost delimiter. We are clicking entry those column one after the other. So then the last one we have in gender, we come to our split column by delimiter. So this by delimiters, then we click on our custom as well. These are customs under and left here, this delimiter. We click on this area. Then we come here that we are working with our gender. This agenda, then we click on OK. So we can see that everything have been split. We don't need this empty column. Right click on it, then removed. So then from here, just come here and retype it by name. Again, double check on the heading again here. Click on the next one is address. Address, double check on these areas. That one, this one is age. This one is age, and the last one is gender. The last one is gender. Right click on it twice and also rename it to gender. Enter. So if you come here, right click on it, press your Ctrl A to highlight everything. Then you can come to your transform to click on dictate data type to refix all of them to the data type it belongs to. So which is we have ABC, which is indicated is text data type, and also can have it here. But when we have one today, it's telling us that we're already integers, which are numbers, and also ABC, which indicating that it's text data type. So now when we come to clean, we have name, address, age, and gender. You can see that it has been cleaned the way we are having this clean data. So that is how to go about that. So you can just check it to rectify everything you have missed from the previous class. So we are going to be working with dates from here. So from on this practice data set that we are working with. So if peradventure we just want to work with our dates so well, so we can just click on here. From this date, we are typically working with date function because we are going to be working with time series. So it will help you to know how to generate it because mostly people doesn't know that the Power Query is not only cleaning alone, you can use it to do calculation. For instance, now when having these sales here, so I'm going to turn these are sales amounts, and from this sales amount, and we are having this, we have profits. These are our sales amount, these are profits. In a case whereby they ask us to calculate for, these are data, practice data sets. So we discover that we don't have a cost price, but we have sales price and we have profit. Now, for us to know our cost price, we need to minus our sales amount from our profit. Now, in order to do that, just move straight to your add column here. We need to click on add column because we want to see our fresh calculation in a fresh column. So then click on custom. When you click on custom, now this custom will bring you this box. What do you want to calculate? I want to calculate for my cost price. I want to calculate for my cost price. No, from this cost price now, I will throw you the available column. I want to minus sales amount, just tap twice, minus and our words. So we decide to click it from here, just tap it twice, or you can type it from profit, you can type it as well. The thing will come up, then you can click it from here. So, and you discover it's telling you that no syntax error have been detected. It's not only clean that we use Power Query to do, use it to clean also. So very powerful library in Excel to do all manners of either cleaning or calculation. So, and this is what I'm doing now. So from here, we tell you that no syntax error have been detected, then click on OK. So you can see all our fresh calculation. We have discovered our cost price. So let me calculate another thing. If they ask you to calculate for the profit percent, come back to your custom column. So I'm calculating for my profit. So you'll be given what they ask you to do, then you can do all the calculation from here without stress. Under this profit percent, our profit percent will be now because it become our sales. Our cost percent is our sales revenue minus our cost price divided by the revenue, and revenue simply means our sales amount. So minus our cost price, the one we finish calculating, we click on divided by the sales amount as well. So we can click on it. Then I'm just showing you can you see that I'm not clicking from, I'm just typing it. You may decide to type it, you may decide to click from here. So anyone you feel like you can generate, but just indicate that indicate the column name, what you are working with here, then click on the and these are cost price. So from this our cost price now, you may decide that this thing is too long, that you want to reduce it to whether to 2 decimal places or to 1 decimal places. You just come to a round off here. So you can click on it. So just say round to what? You see round up, round down, but click on round off so that you can specify the character that you want your decimal places to take. So I'm just used to 2 decimal places, then I click on OK. So when you click on OK, you can see that the new one have been done here. So you can come here and remove this one you are doing here. Then this round, you can try to rewrite it by tapping the edge. Then now say profit percent. Profit percent is profit percent. Enter. So this project percent. So we have entered it again. So we can see that we have it in form of 2 decimal places. We are not having it in numbers of decimals the way we had before. Now, this is how most times doing calculation. If any times you are asked to do calculation with Excel, you come to your custom columns, here you generate and calculate whatsoever thing you are asked to do from this here. Use this to do all manners of calculation. Now, if you want to use to generate different date formats, so we come to this date format. I want to extract out how many years we are having from our data sets and also the months, quarters. So I will do it and I'm going to teach you how to generate with it. Now, when you click on this date, I want to extract the year, I want to extract the quarter, I want to extract the month and also the day. It is good for us to know that because most times if you want to do your reports, you want to see different numbers of sales they have in a month or in different year or different quarters or different day. So how do you do it? All those things capture that date. Say you need to extract it one after the other. Now, when you click on dates, then you come straight to your hard column. We are clicking on hard column because the under transform, you can see the same date here, but in this one we overlap the column. So, but when you are clicking on hard column will calculate in a fresh column for you. So we now click on this date. So from this date, you can see that from here, I want to extract here. So I'm going to click on just here. When I click on here, you can see here I've been calculated. How many years is that? Click on this pay here, this filter pay. When you click on it, you can see that we're having from 2014 to 2018. Is all right. So that is here. So we are still coming to do some things with them. So under this date as well, right click on it. When you right click on date, I want to extract a month as well. So this one will become name of the month. Just click on name of the month. When you click on name of the month, you can see the name of the month is here also. Let me extract a day as well. So click to your day. So I will extract quarter. So you click on quarter of the year. So quarter of the year, you can see we are extracting all of them. And let's click on the last one. Let's click on day. Come to date. So we are extracting all those things with here. Come to date as well. Now come under day, this will become name of day. So you can see that when you scroll down here under color, you can see all those things we have done here. But under this here, we are going to start from month name. From this month name, I don't want to have it in full like this. I want to shorten it by the first 3 characters. So how will you now do that? So for you to do that, you now click on extract. Just click on extract. When you click on extract, you are going to see first one, which is first character. Just click, can you see the first character? When you click on the first character, click on the first character. Then I'm going to click on 3. How many cards? I need the first 3 character. You can see that month name. So this month name is here. Okay? So I have to delete this. So this first one. Then I'm going to rewrite this as month name. This one that I finished calculating month name. Enter. So now I will move down to quarter. This quarter now we cannot indicate because it's just generating based on sequence 1, 2, 3. So, but I need to add a text format to it for me to know that this is quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 for the sake of visualization. Now, what I need to do from here is to come to format, click on format. When you click on format, you are going to see add prefix. When you click on add prefix, then you can see that we have quarter, first click character QTR. So when you click on QTR, you can see that it's doing, we'll remove this one because you don't need it again. Then click on this prefix as quarter. This is by quarter. So you can write it here, then enter. So now the last one that is name, date name, you are going to follow extract again by clicking on the first character, first 3 character. So specify that it's first 3 character you need as under the extract, then insert your first 3 character, day name. So this one you have it, it needs to remove it. I don't need it. Then first 3 character, it needs to write it to day name. We have our day name. This is our day name, enter. So now we have changed all these things to different day. But in a case whereby you are given work to do, so maybe they ask you to calculate for these are different names. I want to do different, assign different values to it without necessarily. Now, under if functions, based on my previous videos, we discovered that we are working with if function and all that. We can do that with Power Query as well. So to generate what we have. For instance, let me tell you that I want to assign different values to different dates. So anywhere you are seeing from Sunday, Sunday should be first day of the week, while Saturday should be weekend, and others day should be weekdays. So these are different 3 elements we want to generate. So Sunday should be first day of the week, while Saturday should be weekend, while all the other days should be weekdays. Now we have 3 elements to do. If they ask you to assign such, what will you do? So what you need to do is to come to add column, now come to conditional column because it's a condition. So now when you click on condition column, you see the box come out. You can see now. So what you just need to do, give it a name. What you want to do under name, just say remarks. Just say day, you can say day remarks or day name remarks. Just to indicate what you want to do. For instance, now come under day name. So when you click on this column name, what you want to work with is day name. Click on it. So under this day name is equals operator. So just say equal anywhere that is equal. We have different things under different comparative statements that we are working with. And we have equals, not equals, they write it in words, but we are going to work equal. So anywhere, anything, any day name that is equals to but you need to be very careful the way you're having it here. We have in Pascal. The first character is starting with alphabet. So anyway you're having Sunday, write it the way you are having it here so that we don't make a mistake. So the output should be first day of the week. So now add clause, or you add your clause again. Add clause is that you still have something to calculate. So again, every day we have in Saturday. Saturday should be weekend. So now weekend. Now the last one should now be if these 2 statements are not met, as if. So if that 2 statements are not met, what should be the next? It should be weekdays. Weekdays should be weekdays. So when you now click on OK, you can see that everything we assign. Can you see now? Every Sunday, first day of the week. So we can use it to assign different values to different things you are working with, whether by sales, by column, by profit. For instance, I can assign, let me assign different things to profit. So you can click on our conditional statement. So our conditional statement, let me work with profit. let me just say profit remarks. This is profit remarks. So under my profit remarks, let me just what I'm working with, let me write it very well. So under my profit remarks, so we have what I'm working with profit. So you can see equal any operator that is let me just say that is greater than 500 should be what? Should be assigned to be deserve bonus. So just say deserve bonus, just say deserve bonus. Any profit greater than 500 deserve bonus, add another clause. So again, click on profit. Now you can use it to assign to different variables based on their work. So anyone that is greater, let me just say that is greater than or equals to, that is greater than or equals to, maybe say 400, to be given just this. Let me write these ones to be extra bonus. So extra bonus. Why this one just ordinary bonus? But S, if these two statements are not met, should be bonus. No bonus. So when you click on OK and watch, you can see extra bonus, extra bonus, extra bonus. Or you click on when you move down, we are seeing extra bonus. Let's see the profit and let's see what happened. This is profit because we are seeing extra bonus for all of them. So you can see these profits greater than. Now that shows that all of them, they are greater than 500. So let me try to readjust this. Now, if I want to adjust these functions, I will just come here. I will just click on an edit setting. So it will take me back to all this, just come here, edit setting. So let me just try to do this will become an extra bonus. I want to look for what we can do to make it more engaging than this one we're having. Let me say just greater than or equals to, let me just say equals to, let me use equals to or greater than, just say greater than 700 should be extra bonus. While let me just say equals to, or let me say less than, is less than 400. Just see. Let me see equals to 400 from here. Let me say less than 400 from here, and let's see. Let's see what will happen. Still writing a bonus. Let's see what will happen. Still writing extra bonus. So let's come back again to here. These settings. So I want to make it that the thing is more and engaging than this. So we have greater than. Let me cancel. Let me do what we. Let me do for. Let me use it for under this. We can see that we are having more profit downward. So we have different profit down that is greater than. So that is greater than 500. So this is it. So let me try more. Let me try to have seen the profit. Let me try to change this to something else. When profit is greater or equals to greater than 800. Let me just say 800. Let me write 700. The surface trouble. When profit is greater, let me say greater or equals to 500. So that is greater than or equals to bonus is bonus and bonus. So you can see that the thing has come to what I really want. You can see extra bonus. So we can try to come back here and edit it to edit it to what they want. So profit is greater than 700 extra bonus. Profit and greater or equals to 500 is 5 bonus and others no bonus. So you can see that we try to generate based on what they ask us to do. So you can try to, I'm just trying to introduce you to different assignment operators you can use Power Queries to achieve without necessarily using manual function. So we can come here and to do it without any step. You can see that this Power Query we are using to assign all different functions from here. So that we can generate based on what they ask us to do. So anytime you make any error and you want to adjust it, right click on this apply step here and click on edit settings. You can see that you come back to the normal functions and formulas, then you can edit it from there and to adjust whatever you want to adjust. So this way I'm going to be stopping from here. You can go through it to practice it so that I'll be able to master it very well. So I would like you to subscribe, share and like so that I can see more of my videos. Thank you.